And just doing the driveline test, everything seems to be working. Off to the next step, dude. It's starting to look like something again. Little tip when you're gonna install your motor, you could take your motor plate off and there's gonna be a little channel up inside right here, and we're gonna actually hit that with a little bit of that Team Losi Racing high pressure black, and that should keep some sand and light debris getting anywhere close into that transmission or motor area. So we just added some high pressure grease to that channel, and I think that's gonna keep some of that dirt out. And we got enough grease on those gears that'll actually mate when we mount this motor up. We're just gonna reuse this servo. Servo's pushing 3 years old. It's the original 1258 TG. Sounds better than the brand new one that we just got, so we're gonna run this. That's where the CAC just straight snapped off inside of there. So I think we're just gonna bust some Velcro right on the bottom and maybe try to reutilize the hardware mounts, I don't know.